everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I have a couple of small hauls, miscellaneous items, and a prize that I won from Deanna over at Blonde Amazon. So I'm going to dive right in. She was hosting a giveaway over on her channel, and I will definitely link that down below. And I was one of her lucky winners. She actually had a few of them, and these are the items that she sent my way. This is a super cute Minnie Mouse smartphone stand, so you can set this up and your phone will stand on her. That's so cute. I'll probably bring this to my work so I can have a stand at work. This cute Minnie Mouse, it looks like the little baby one, pen. And I think she has a Daiso out there maybe. These really cute bags. I'm gonna put these right into my Disney box so that when I do Happy Mail with someone, I will have some Disney specific items to share. She sent this really nice Mickey stationery. I love stationery. I collect it, I hoard it, I love it so much. Flowers are shaped like Mickey heads. It's so cute. Deanna, thank you so much for a wonderful prize. I appreciate it so much and I love everything. Thank you so much. I went to Home Depot. My husband wanted to get a frame for the magnetic sheet he's installing in my craft room, and I was wandering around and I came across this Arrow glue gun, and it has the precision tip on it, and it was on sale for $9. So I figured I would give it a try. I just opened a new one that I got, I think at Michael's, and I don't like it. The handle keeps on sticking, so I'm gonna give this one a try. My trusty one that I've had for at least 10 years just stopped working, so I needed a new one. So we did pick that up on clearance. And the next item, it's kind of a funny story. I picked this up in my last yard sale. I just forgot to film it because it was sitting on my floor. When I was at the yard sale, this is what I saw. Clear ledge shelf. They're nice and small. I was like, oh, you know, I can use these in my craft room because they're really small, and maybe I can use these to fill in on my punches. And I don't know, when I saw clear ledge shelf, I assumed that the shelf would be clear, but when I opened it up, they are this neon orange color. And I had no idea. I don't know. What would you have thought it was? If anything, it would have been like pink, but I still feel like it's clear where the photo is. So I don't know. I thought that was pretty funny. I ended up with 4 of these. They are perfect. Let me see. These are just like an 1 3/4 inches. So they are perfect, and they will hold my little punches, but the color, it just kills me. It's it's really going to pop in my craft room, I can tell you that. So I did end up with 4 of these. And yeah, as soon as I figure out where they're gonna go, I will post a video. The other item that I picked up, I went to IKEA, and I'm really fortunate. I have one like really close to my house. I picked up a couple of these boxes. This is what I have hanging on my rods where I keep my little punches for now, and I also use them as mini trash cans, so I'm adding 2 more into my stash. I picked up this big giant wire basket. Let me see if the name is on here. Okay, this is the name of it. It's really large, and it's the wire. This is the wire basket, and what I hope to do, because this thing is really big, it is 16 inches by 12. This basket I am hoping to fit here. This is my islands, and I have these 2 boxes, and I have another box behind this one, and this is all my ribbon. I am hoping to sort, organize, declutter my ribbon, because if you notice now, ribbon's starting to peek around the corners. I have ribbon everywhere. I think if I have a wire basket that I can pull out and I can see, I will use it, because these I don't open these because I can't see them. That's it. That's my mismatch of crafty hauls, a prize giveaway, some funny yard sale finds. I'll just show you real quick. This is where I use those little IKEA baskets right here, and they just store my littler punches so that they don't fall through this area. All right, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye guys.